Silhouette Curio 2 Beginner-Friendly Setup Guide. Step 1. Remove the machine out of the packaging carefully following the instructions on the flap. Step 2. Set the electrostatic bed and the protective sheet aside carefully. Step 3. Unpack the power supply and the other accessories that came with the package. Step 4. Remove the plastic packaging. Step 5. Remove the warning note that's taped to the machine and read the instructions. Step 6. Go ahead and loosen the screw on the bracket and remove the brackets from the machine. Step 7. Now remove all the tapes and styrofoams from the machine. Step 8. Move the tool carriage slightly to the right and remove the cushion. Step 9. Once you've removed all the packaging, you should be able to slide the Y bar to the back. Step 10. Grab the electrostatic bed that came with the machine, unpack it, remove the protective cover and set it aside. Step 11. Check and ensure that the tabs next to the electrostatic bed are in an open position. Step 12. Go ahead and slide in the electrostatic bed and secure it in place with the tabs. Step 13. Now unwrap the protective sheet and place it on top of the electrostatic bed. Step 14. Go to your computer, open a web browser and navigate to the official Silhouette setup page. Step 15. Select your language and click Continue. Step 16. Set up a new account if you don't have one. Step 17. Next, fill in your machine serial number and purchase information and click Continue. Step 18. When it detects your machine, click Register My Machine. Step 19. When the setup is complete, go through the warranty information and click Continue to next step. Step 20. Click Continue to next step in the Step 1 Setup Machine instruction. Step 21. Select your operating system to download Silhouette Studio. Step 22. After the installation file is downloaded, double-click the downloaded file to run it. Step 23. Click Next in the first two Silhouette Studio Setup Wizard screens. Step 24. Click Install and it'll start installing. Step 25. Click Finish when it's done installing and open up Silhouette Studio. Step 26. Plug the power cable into the machine and press the power button to power it on. Step 27. You should see the Bluetooth light flashing blue indicating that it's ready to connect. Step 28. If the Bluetooth light is solid white, press the Bluetooth button to turn it on. Step 29. Go to Silhouette Studio and go to the Send panel. Step 30. Click on the machine icon at the bottom of the screen and select your Curio 2 with the Bluetooth icon. Step 31. If there's a firmware update available, click Update Now and make sure to keep the machine on and Silhouette Studio open during the process. Step 32. Once done, Silhouette Studio will show the machine as ready and the Bluetooth light on your machine will be solid blue. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.